Hey everyone, in this playlist I will show you how to make an entire mini app. So that is one kind of clone mini app because I am cloning a mini app design and functionality. So if you want to get that entire source code, so you need to check out the description box so you will get the source code. And one more thing, if you get a single knowledge or a one line code, if you learn from my video, this video, please subscribe that channel, like that video and share it. Thanks, and let's forward to the video.
So let's begin. First of all, I need to install React.js as framework because we need to complete frontend first, and we are not looking to use anything like postmap or this kind of something. So let's get the frontend first, and I am also open the Telegram. So I have three example. One is Rat Kingdom, second one is Docs, and third one is CAD. So I like or I prefer Red Kingdom because they have some extraordinary features such as this kind of something verify, social, friend, special. So it's great a tab, and also that's UI is looking awesome, and I like that. And they have a extra tab that is collab, and that means collaboration. So if you want to collaboration with any other project, so you can add these tags so user can do these tags. And they have leaderboard, and also they have friends. So as you can see, and they are active monthly user is over 4 million, so I guess that is a popular app. So let's clone that. First of all, when we open that, let's cut that and click launch again. So you can see it is directly open here, but I know is take some data like when I create the account and some other information. So let's for move forward, I need to create the React app at first. So let's create app. For creating app, we will looking to use Vite. Okay, we will use Vite, the next generation frontend. This kind of something. So I will just copy. I don't need to copy because I know the command. So create a folder here that is red kingdom. Yeah. Now I just create a folder. Open the terminal and type here npm create Vite. Okay, here I need to write the project name. The project name is uh, just client because just take the name and create a folder, and the framework is react language or variant is TypeScript. So now I need to go on a cd client. As I said, it's create a folder, so it's create a folder and the folder name is client. Now I need to type npm install, but I should continue with I means also install. So you guys can say why I'm not using a Next.js, because Next.js, as you know, they have something like client and server side. So if I use Next.js, then I need to use L-time client, so I cannot get the server side performance. So also that's not that website will be not run or open on Chrome. So there's makes sense. We are not making creating a Next.js app or just something. So I created the application that name is client, and there have a folder that is src. So in the src I create a folder that is a component component components, and in the components I create another folder that is ey, and also shared, and image, and one more thing that is icon on asset folder, icons. And in inserts I create another folder that is pages. Okay, makes sense. Now I need to install Tailwind CSS and some CSS framework. Now there I have installed some dependency like Redux Toolkit, Telegram apps, and React DOM, React Router DOM, this kind of something. So I install that L and configure that. Also I install Tailwind CSS and Daisy UI for designing as CSS framework. Now here you can see there have a routes, and I created a folder that is routes, and here have main layout. So now let's think uh, more deep. Like when a user open my app, he first of all see a loading scan, this kind of something. Then if the user come first time, then we will show him how much, or we will show him a loading that is one kind of account age. Second thing is a premium check. Third thing is this kind of something. So we need a scan like that. And another thing, we will show user, or we will tell user to join our Telegram channel. So loading skin a page, and that three a page, and also we will show a skin for join on Telegram channel. Show. So that user must be need to join Telegram, otherwise user cannot open app. So this kind of something. So there we theory skin we need to design now. So let's do that. Now my planning is properly visible. So first of all I need to create a page. There have pages. So here we create a folder that is Spanish. Okay. Now in this Spanish page we create first of all a loading page, loading dot tsx, tsx and rsc. So we are successfully create loading skin. So we will add the loading skin here, and that path should be Spanish, and here we write loading. Perfect. Now that is my loading skin. Now we will run that app on Telegram. So just run that on localhost. Now I run that localhost port to ngrok for port forwarding. There have ngrok, and I am using ngrok premium. So I just type the ngrok command 73. So here you can see a forwarding URL. So I just copy that URL, and then I will go on further boot further. There have boot further, and we will go on my app because I have already created many application. So here I will choose one that should be this one. I just replace the URL, that is Spanish. Okay, so now I just pin that message. Okay, pinned successfully. Now open that app. So if I now come on here you can see some thing are painted here. Okay, sound cool. Currently our skin have nothing, so you can see here nothing. Now as you see that ragdoll is properly a black background. So we will add a theme, custom theme on tailwind.config.js. So here we will add a theme. For adding the theme, I need to go on documentation. So I am using Daisy UI. So I will go on daisyui.com and here I have component and component there have sidebar and here I can see theme. Now in this theme, if I scroll down and there have the custom theme option. Okay. So I will just copy that this UI object and done. Just copy that object and paste bottom of the plugin. So here you can see some color that is primary, secondary, ancient, natural, base. So the primary color should be white because the primary color should be text color or this kind of something, or we can add a custom this kind of something. So I just replace that to text and text color is properly white and white color code is if and secondary text. Okay, secondary text, that secondary text color should be 50% opacity. So I will go a website that is where I can copy the color code. So I will go on colors and here I just go on explore palette. Okay, color picker, this one. Now here we'll choose the white one and the opacity where I can choose the opacity. Oh no, I'm not looking that. RGB and hex. Mm, okay, I just go any other something. So here I take a screenshot and come on image picker. Here you can see it's tilt me L color code or this kind of something. So I just go on export plate and here it's can give me a CSS. I just click open in generator. Okay, so here you can see L color. First one is gray. I just copy that as text secondary color. So just copy that and paste here text secondary color. Then that is the button background. Okay, that is button background. Or I think I don't need that because this one have the this color and that is Telegram tone wallet default background. And okay, I don't need that. They have black, so you just give the background or BG it directly black and then white. We need white and yeah, nothing need more. So just cut that and they have loading skin. I just go on this UI and they have something like loading. So if I search that loading, so here you can see some loading skin. Also there have something like progress, loading progress. I need this progress also. Um, then loading radial progress. then loading. So we need to choose from this loading and there what we like. Okay, let's continue with this one. I just select large size and paste here. Okay. And then here I just give the text as text. Okay. Text as white and class name here, class name as minimum height is skin, and then flex center and justify center. So if I now see it here, if I now see here, it asks me a background color. So I give the background color as BG is black. Okay. Then here I need to set the top color. So for adding the top color, I go on main.tsx and here I need to import web app that's come from Telegram, but I see a little bit issue on import. So web app from TMA Telegram mini app SDK. So still have any error? No. Then web app dot okay, really they have something like error. Okay. There have many options. I just need mm, header set mini app header color. So that is a function. So we need to call set mini app header color, and here the color should be black. Okay. Now if I refresh that, is it refresh successfully or no? Or is I choose right one?
One more time. Yeah, that is the end of this video. I am invite you to watch my next video, and yeah, I guess you will enjoy like this video. Thanks, and thanks again for watching this video. Like, share, and comment, and must subscribe.